License Transfer Fisher ValveLink Software. This video will guide you through the process of transferring an active ValveLink license to a new ValveLink installation on a different computer. To successfully install ValveLink software on the new ValveLink computer, follow these steps. First, install the software as described in the installation and license request video for ValveLink software. So to get started from the new ValveLink computer, open the License Wizard software and press New License. Then select Generate License using Software Licensing by clicking Next and proceed by filling in all the required fields. Then select Next. Inside the blank, enter the order number or serial number and tap Next. Save the registration details by clicking to save registration form to a file, and store the generated registration code file on your desktop or in your desired folder for easy access, and then click on Register. Click Next, and press Finish. Then save it to a media card or USB stick for transfer. Now go to the existing ValveLink computer and open the ValveLink License Wizard and select Transfer, and check the box for Yes, I would like to transfer the license. And click Next. Here, tap Import from File and locate the registration code file from your media card or USB stick, then proceed by opening it. Continue with the license transfer process. Press Next and select Save to store the license key file, which will be named License Key Target by default, and press Register. Once saved, check the box for Yes, I am ready to close the program, then click Finish. Now on the new ValveLink computer, reopen the License Wizard and select Enter License Key. Import the license key file from your media card or USB stick by selecting Import from File, then press Open. When you have selected the license key file, continue the activation by checking the box for Yes, I would like to proceed with the above features, and press Next. Enter your username and click Next again. Finally, tap Finish to complete the license activation process. Your Fisher ValveLink software license is now successfully activated